Hey, hello, this is Unity Profusion, and I will tell you why you need to hear this music. So, as I say, as you see, I changed my set because today we are going to talk about this important thing. This is the only, I don't know if you can see it. I think you can see it. This is the only power that the universe holds, which is creation. Love is what we are made for. We are made of, sorry, made of. And sorry for just my lyrics are not so good. But anyways, the other thing that you need to understand too is like um the other thing like is creation, which is free will. We all have free will, so we choose. As we are universe, let's say, sorry, Lester is so bad. I'm doing what I want, but I can. Okay. So I'm listening actually, Stacy. Today is the birthday of my friend there. So 25 of October, October 25 today. So which you will see probably tomorrow or Sunday, I don't know. So okay, I'm listening Stacy, which are these kind of uh, music. But anyways, let's keep on going. What I want you to understand is this, which is actually the why you are here to understand. It's about what is here. Well, okay, as I was saying, universe is pure made by this energy. It's the only energy. The energy of creation is love. Don't forget. Okay, my lyrics are not so good. Excuse me if you don't understand, but you can hear. But this is just as a good way to focus the energy to understand. So, what is fear? So, as we have free will in the universe, which is pure love and its creation, the power, and so as we have free will, what is fear and why it's there? So, you should understand that we live in this 3D Earth. I don't know how you want to call it. It's like Earth, which is 3D. We live in 3D. So then what is fear? What is fear is the other, there is the opposite of love, which is what is hate. But remember that love is the only one who have power to create this. And everything that we create is about focus. Well, focus. So actually, then, if you think for a minute, what I'm saying, because I will tell you an story, because yesterday I was outside, going outside, and I met old man, very wise. He's a sensei from, I mean, not from, yeah, from another country, not from here, which is interesting because I always connect with the, foreigners. Okay, so he's a sensei, He was so wise, and he said a lot of things. We had a really nice conversation. But one of the things that, because I like to, to be open to understand what the other people is saying, no matter about the age. But he is a really wise old man, so I want to listen. He was doing a lot, a lot doing like he won like a lot of tournaments, and for everything that we need to do is like about the focus. It's where we focus our energy. He was saying that, and a lot of things that actually I know. And he said something that is interesting. What is life about? And for me, he was telling me everything that I already know, which I am more younger, but also which are other things like, I went through a lot. Like sometimes I mean, not sometimes, always we learn. I will put like this here. We learn to paint in the, uy, in the 3D. We learn through pain. Most of the time, we learn through this, the feeling, pain, you know? So, I hope to know, and I hope that you like this. I like. Okay, so he said something very interesting, which is what it's like about. It's about to have knowledge. If you have a knowledge that is, uh, will be good for other people, or missions, our mission is to send that knowledge to other people. The ones who are interested. If you're watching this, it's because you're interested. If you're following my channel and watching my video, it's because you're interested. And I know that you will understand all these things that I am saying, which is about everything is about focus. And remember, this is the only real thing in Earth. This is the same as this fear and hate, which is not real. It's something that humans created. It's something that humans created. So uh, I'm talking about obvious. We are not talking about before, because now we are in this era. So I don't want you to say something like, "Oh, but in the past, they have to have this fear uh, for survive and whatever." No, this is not real, and I will not talk about that today. This is not the point. But anyways, this era is the future. You know, it's your choice what you put your focus on. So don't tell other things. Remember that everything that you believe is through your own view about your view of life. So even if all people will see this, maybe I don't know, only for these 3 points. For something, for someone, it will mean something. And for me, the I, if I see this, it will mean other thing, because it's because my view and who I am, who I will like say codify this, right? Okay. So then, if you understand that the only thing that exists is love, fear, and hate, which is actually hate, was created by this, because this is the only power, and this is it doesn't exist. If you want just to erase this, you can, of course. It's a matter of time, and I will recommend you to read some books that are also good, but also about how you can just change this in a fast way. I can actually tell, but maybe I will cut this video and I can explain in the next one. Do not make it so long so you can see in the other one. Then I think I will do this. So this is the basics to understand about how the universe works. It's all this because this is the point of everything. This is how everything was created. All this, you know. This is. I hope you understand my lyrics, my letters. Sorry. Um. So the most important thing is like as all the fears and all the hate that you feel or whatever, you can change. Today I will tell you that you can change it just doing meditations and feeling love, which is feeling love is the one feeling love which is connected with our mind, but also with the hair, with the hair. I don't know if you can see this so good. I will try to edit later. Okay, so this is the mind. Anyways, um, so you can do ours is meditations. This is the one when we focus our energy to something and before sleep or when we wake up. I have other videos that I'm explaining this, so I will put all this because I have before. With you to understand it because it's very important. You know, I just change a lot of things. Also, I get to this point of understanding and how I see these things is because after, as I say, having a lot of bad things like my mom passed away, I think that was the most biggest awakening, if I can say. And when I was 18 or 19, I don't remember. But when my father passed away, it was also something, but not as much as my mom. Then I understand a lot of things. Really, it made me grow so fast because, as I was saying, we learn through the pain, and we don't have to be scared. We can use this pain to transform. But I will talk about this in the next video. If you're having so I don't know fun or whatever on learning things, don't forget to subscribe. I've been busy because I'm creating new songs that are coming. Remember, I create meditation, and so you can watch this, all this, in this. And okay, so in the next video, I will do this about the pain, but I will explain as well. So thank you for watching, and thank you so much for all the comments and for also the what to say because this thing it was requested for someone that wanted me to explain. So I'm here to explain about this. And thank you so much for everything and for watching the video as well. So okay, thank you also for like my music. I'm great, and the music is really helpful, and also the meditation and all this. Yeah. Okay. So in the next video, I will talk about this how you can transmute everything can be transmute change because it's what it is. So anyways, I have more videos that I will link and you will be understanding all the things that I'm telling. So, okay, have a nice day and don't forget to meditate when you wake up and when you go to sleep. I will not edit the video, so this is what it is. Bye bye. See you next.